has been an exceptionally hot and humid summer. We've also had a lot of storms, but with the storms brings these amazing clouds. Certainly could not pass up any opportunities to photograph the clouds, their colors. It really is a little bit of a benefit to this really hot and humid summer. On to canning. Peppers, 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 and more peppers. I have to have peppers. Every day I eat peppers. So I have been very fortunate that in spite of the weather, my peppers have been doing extremely well. These are a few that I grew this year with their seed packet so you could see them. They did very well and have many more coming on. So the season is far from over. It probably will be frost before it actually is over. Because of my work schedule, I have to make do with the little bit of time that I get in between projects or just taking a break. So I just prepare a bowl of peppers. I set them up next to my desk. With these peppers, I'm going to make pickled peppers. I use a recipe for bread and butter pickles for my brine. So I just keep cutting up the peppers into nice little round circles until I have enough, and then I start filling the jars. Once the jars are full, I pour the hot brine over the peppers, seal the jars, and follow all directions for proper water bath canning. Of course, I eat my share of fresh peppers, a little butter, a little sauteing in a frying pan, and then add it to a roll with a little homemade coleslaw and a couple deviled eggs. My kind of lunch. These peppers are ginormous. I have never grown peppers quite so large before. I'm not sure what kind they are. I'll have to look it up. But I decided to stuff them. I cut them in half and cleaned them. Then I had prepared in the frying pan black beans and corn and mole sauce. Then I just layered the mixture inside the halves, and then I prepared them for freezing. I will use them for lunch, so I put one half in a bag by itself, so it'll be very convenient for me this winter. Next, freezing pepper cubes. One of my favorite things to do. Whatever peppers I have, odds and ends, leftovers, all season, end of season, I throw them in the food processor after they're cleaned. Then I put them into the ice cube trays, and then they're frozen. That's it. Then I use the cubes all winter long in soups, scrambled eggs, anything and everything. I hope you enjoyed my little quick pepper uses.